Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
Welcome back to a second video of the forensic series, and in last video we covered verify, and in this challenge we will be covering scan surprise. So you can filter out forensics using the category section and set the difficult to easy. We'll be initially covering easy, then go to medium and then hard. We will launch the instance, and till then we can read the description. I have gotten bored of handing out flags as text. Wouldn't it be cool if they were images instead? Common forensic challenge consists of either zip or image files, and copy this and launch here. We'll need to agree to the fingerprint and copy the password here. Copy. So we are provided with a QR code. Go and open the file. So we can see there is a QR code. We can launch a web browser where we can just QR decode online QR decoder where we can just pass our file. So we can just pass the flag.png and upload. So this directly gives us the flag just by scanning the QR. So we copy it, paste it here and submit. We easily got the flag.
If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.